Hello, welcome to your favorite hub of learning. I am still Mr. Okoronkwo Jackson Jonathan at Den of Knowledge. Today, we want to talk about Jesus the Good Shepherd under the subject Christian Religious Studies for Basic 3. Okay, our reference point is John chapter 10 from verse 1 to 18. John chapter 10 from verse 1 to 18. Remember, Jesus, the Good Shepherd. Before we proceed, let us understand who a shepherd is. When you hear the word shepherd, the next thing that comes to your mind is somebody or someone who takes care of a sheep. Someone who takes care of a flock of sheep. That person is called a shepherd, as we have. But what then do we mean by the word good shepherd? Good shepherd. When we attach this to the word shepherd, it changes from not just being somebody who takes care of a sheep or a flock of sheep, but somebody who is ready to go extra mile. Somebody who is ready to give up everything. Somebody who is ready to go beyond expectation to take care of flock of sheep. That is good shepherd. We say Jesus the good shepherd. Remember, Jesus died for us. In other words, being a shepherd and we being his flock of sheep, he did not consider his position. He did not consider his level. He did not consider his honor and dignity. He gave up everything to make sure that we are saved. He gave up everything to make sure that we are saved. So we say a good shepherd is one who risks and lays down his life. Who risks and lays down his life. If you take a look at our reference point and you read the book of John chapter 10 verse 11, you will see it when he said, a shepherd lays down his life for his flock. So Jesus is not just our shepherd, but Jesus is the good shepherd that we have. There are features a good shepherd must possess. Feature number 1, a good shepherd must be kind. A good shepherd must be kind. Let us liken a good shepherd to be a leader. A leader. Anybody who is made a leader must be kind. Number 2, a good shepherd must be loving. If you are not loving, you cannot lay down your life. If you are not loving, you cannot risk your life. Remember David, when he was tending his father's flock, he had to fight a lion, kill a bear in order to do what? Tend to save his father's flock. That means David portrayed that attitude of Jesus as a good shepherd. So you must love what you care for and care for what you love. Then, quality number 3, a good shepherd must be caring. A good shepherd must be caring. Remember the parable of Jesus about a man who was tending his flock, 100 in number. Now one got missing. He left the rest, the 99, and then went in search of the one that was missing. And we are told that when he found that one, he came back and called for a feast. And he said, that is exactly the way it is in heaven when one sinner repents and returns to God, which is the essence of him laying down his life. So remember that that shepherd had to risk other 99, risk his own life, who might have known what he fought in order to find that one. That is a caring shepherd. Now the next one is a good shepherd must be protective. Must be protective. What a friend we have in Jesus. Have you heard that song before? All our sins and grief to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. When we carry everything to God in prayer, God protects us. Jesus protects us. That is why we call him not just our friend, but our good shepherd. Then the next quality is that a good shepherd knows all his sheep. A good shepherd knows all his sheep. So when the shepherd calls out, the sheep will be able to recognize the voice. The sheep will be able to recognize the voice. The final one is that a good shepherd leads. These are the qualities of a good shepherd. And if you take a look at all these qualities, you discover that they are qualities that our leaders or anybody called to lead must possess. Anybody called to lead must possess, because these are the examples Jesus left for us before he returned to his Father. Remember, Jesus demonstrated his being the good shepherd by laying down his life for us. Jesus demonstrated that he is a good shepherd by giving up his life for us, risking his throne in heaven, coming down to earth through the womb of a woman, dying on the cross of Calvary, after much humiliation, just for us to be saved. And he knows us by name. Wherever you are, when you grow to become a leader, do not forget that Jesus wants us to be like him. Even in your little group, in your classroom, in your house, in your houses, anywhere you find yourself, whether you are playing with your mates, make sure you exhibit these qualities. In that way, you will live the life Jesus wants us to live. See you next time at your favorite hub of learning. Bye-bye.